Welcome to a world where the smallest gestures wield extraordinary power. As the legendary Warren Buffett once said, if you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. Today, we embark on a journey exploring the transformative magic of kindness. In this video, I'll unveil 5 simple yet potent ways to sprinkle kindness around you, igniting positive change that resonates far beyond. Brace yourself for a delightful ride into a realm where tiny actions spark wonders and leave an indelible mark on the world. Ready to discover the secrets that make the world a brighter, kinder place? Let's dive in. 1. Volunteer your time. Volunteering means offering your skills and time for free to help others or organizations. You can volunteer at places like animal shelters, where you might walk dogs or help clean their living spaces. Another way is to volunteer at a local community center, where you might help organize events or teach a skill you're good at, like art or cooking. Volunteering not only benefits the organization but also gives you a chance to learn new things and meet different people. Don't forget to smash the subscription button to join our community of like minds, and comment subscribe in the comment section for a special welcome. Next, practice active listening. Active listening is about really paying attention when someone is speaking. It involves making eye contact, nodding to show you understand, and asking questions to learn more. For example, when a friend talks about a problem, active listening means putting away distractions like phones and focusing entirely on them. It shows you care and helps build stronger relationships. Next, spread positivity. According to the 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra, the universe operates through dynamic exchange. Giving and receiving are different aspects of the flow of energy in the universe. Talking about the 7 Spiritual Laws of Success, we have videos that summarize the laws in details. You can find the link at the top of this video. Spreading positivity involves being cheerful, encouraging, and supportive. It could be as simple as giving someone a genuine compliment or sharing a smile with a stranger. You can also spread positivity through social media by sharing inspirational stories, posting motivational quotes, or celebrating people's achievements. When you spread positivity, it creates a ripple effect, making others feel good and fostering a more positive community atmosphere. Next, support local businesses. Supporting local businesses means choosing to buy things from smaller shops in your community rather than big chain stores. This helps the local economy by keeping money in the community and supporting local jobs. For instance, instead of buying groceries at a big supermarket, you might shop at a family-owned market. By doing this, you help the local market stay open and support the people who work there. Lastly, random acts of kindness. These are small, unexpected things you can do to brighten someone's day. It could be as simple as holding the door open for someone carrying bags or complimenting a stranger. Other examples include leaving a nice note for someone to find or paying for a meal for the person behind you in a drive-thru. These random acts show kindness and often inspire others to do the same. As we conclude this journey into the realm of kindness, remember that every small act of kindness ripples through the world, creating waves of positivity and change. Embrace these simple gestures in your daily life and be the catalyst for a kinder, brighter tomorrow. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to smash the subscription button to join our community of like minds, and comment subscribe for a special welcome. Share your thoughts in the comments, and keep spreading kindness wherever you go. Until next time, stay kind, stay awesome.